you can see that we got the hinge guide right at the front of the door, right where the hinges are. That one, the middle one, and the very end one. Okay? And then of course this is the, whoops, excuse me, that's the top of the door up there, so that's the top we want to run our story pole from, going down. Okay, you can see we're screwed in story pole. Onto our hinge guides. And then we're screwed in at the top to hold it in place. So we're going to take that screw out and then mount it in our jamb. Okay, slide it up to the top. There's our brackets that'll get the distance of the door down from the top. Okay, take the story pole off. And we're ready to route out for the hinges. Okay, and also you can see that the bearing is far enough below the top that when it rubs against the guide, you've got plenty of bearing to where that if your router bit was longer, you know, sticking out here, your bearing would be up inside your plate and it wouldn't work. Okay, jamb hinges, mount them in there. You want to do one at the top, one at the bottom. Okay, see we got our frame mounted to the door. Got the top hinge and the bottom hinge. We left the center hinge out because once we get the door hung, then we'll put the center hinge in because we don't have to fight 3 hinges. We only want to fight 2.